Want to sound instantly friendlier? Add this one word. The word is possibly. So let's understand with
examples.
Could you possibly help me? Could you possibly send me the file today? Could you possibly explain that again? Could you possibly wait for 5 minutes? Speaking benefits. Possibly softens your request and sounds natural in professional English. Which request would you use this in? Try this today instead of direct request and subscribe now so we can meet again. Thank you so much.